What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Midwest Launch Mob. My name's Matt. You guys are the mob. And man, I just pulled up to work. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, or 6:57. I got a couple minutes to get in there. I got work till 3:30, but I go on my lunch break at noon, and I found a couple ponds that are pretty close to here. So I'm gonna go hit those ponds and see if I can catch a couple fish on my lunch break. So this will just be a quick video. My lunch break's 45 minutes, so it's gonna be quick. Hopefully we can catch some fish. And yeah, I'm going to try my best to upload something every day for the rest of the month of May, and then just go from there. I've been slacking. My consistency is horrible, so we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. But yeah, so I got a few hours to kill in here, go do the whole work thing, and then go on lunch. The other day I went out and caught a couple fish on a frog already. It's super early in the season for the Chicagoland area, so I'm gonna see if maybe I can duplicate that and maybe catch another one on a frog, if there's fish even in there. So we'll see what happens, but I will pick up the camera when it's lunchtime. Let's go. All right, guys, it's lunchtime. We gotta be fast. We're going to the pond. It's like right around here. Like, I don't know, 3 minutes. Hopefully I don't hit anybody. Like 3 minutes from here, maybe 4, I don't know. And it is like 12:01 right now, and I have to be back at 12:45. So this is a quick fishing mission. I can't be late either because we have a meeting right at 1 o'clock when I get back. But anyways, yeah, these are like very small ponds. Little retention ponds just in this neighborhood that I just so happened to find on Google Maps or Google Earth. And I fished it a couple times. I caught a couple little fish, but there's fish in there, you know. It's something to do on my lunch break. So yeah, I'm headed there right now. Hopefully we'll catch a fish, maybe 2. I think I'm gonna bring a frog with, because I caught a few. Yeah, I actually caught a couple fish the other day on a frog at a different lake. So I'll show you that real quick. There's gotta be some more good ones down here. Gotta be. Oh, he got it. He got it. He came out of the air for it. I think that's a good fish. Oh, he came out of the air, dude. That was insane. Oh man, he's not even that big, but god damn, he came out of the air for it, or out of the water for it. Dude, this is like probably 2 1/4. It's a solid fish, healthy fish, man. Dude, it is so early in the season. It trips me out. This dude's got glass eyes. Both of his eyes are glassy. That's crazy. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I was surprised. It's so early in the season. I was surprised that those fish bit. I caught like one decent one, no giants or anything, but there was some aggressive fish coming after the frog. So it's overcast. It's still only, my car says it's 57, so it's probably like 53 or something like that. It's a little windy. It's overcast, as you can see. So I'm gonna bring a little, maybe an underspin or just a regular paddle tail, just on a weighted hook, you know, just your standard whatever little swim bait. And I'm gonna bring a black frog, maybe a popping frog, and toss that around and see if I can catch one fish. That's the goal. Let's see if we can catch a fish. I got probably, in the end, it'll be about a half hour I have to fish. We'll say 7 minutes there, 7 minutes back, just to be safe. So yeah, hopefully we can get one on a frog. Maybe we can get one on the frog and the swim bait. I'll probably get bit on the swim bait before anything. But yeah, I'm blabbing, I'm rambling right now. Yeah, let's go fishing. All right, well, I forgot there's actually 2 ponds here. So there's this one right here, and then there's another one across the street right there. Both tiny, but I'll start over here because it's got some grass. I got my frog tied on from the other day still. And then I got a little paddle tail on actually it's like a shaky head, a little ball head jig with the EWG hook on it. on a spinning rod because I was fishing the river and trying to catch some smallmouth the other day, but that didn't really work out.
but whatever. So we're gonna walk around with the frog, and maybe we can catch one. This frog is so beat up, but it'll still get bit if they're here. Looks like there would be. Super shallow. Oh, something just got him. I got one on the frog. Yes. Yeah, buddy. Damn, he's not a bad one for this little pond. He's probably a pound. Maybe a little over. He swiped once and missed. Swiped again. And got that son of a bitch. Sweet. We caught a frogfish. We caught a frogfish. That's what's up. Alright. Maybe we can catch another one. Boom, right up on that bank. We might get bit. It's a little windy, but you never know. See if they want that, and then we're going across the street, and we're going to catch one out of that pond too. Hopefully. Let's see. Oh, he got it. I got another one. Hell yeah. Got him. Oh, chill out, bro. You're fine. Hell yeah. Another little guy. I mean, can't expect much from this pond, but that's sweet. Alright, let's see if we can catch another one at the other pond real quick. Damn, we caught a fish on each bait. That's what's up.
Woo, doggy. Well, we didn't get them at both ponds, but hell, that's not a bad way to spend a little 45-minute lunch break, eh? Oh God, my camera's falling. Yeah, I think that was pretty sweet. I'll definitely do this more often. See, I don't know, come out, see if we could catch a limit maybe, you know, who knows. What am I dropping? I'm dropping all sorts of stuff. But it's 12:40 on the dot right now. I have 5 minutes to get back to work, and I'm about 5 minutes away from work. So, pushed it. Oh God. Oh God. Dropping everything. So maybe, you know, my boss would tell me that I probably pushed it a little too close today, but anything for them YouTube views, you know what I'm saying? No, just joking. But yeah, that was fun. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, you know, let me know. I don't know, I have no idea what to do for content really. Yeah, I fish all the time and everything, but everybody's posting fishing videos and it's kind of discouraging, but whatever. I mean, I do this every day regardless if a camera's rolling. So, I don't know, I'm gonna try my best, like I said, to upload every day for the rest of the month of May and see if I can do it, and we're just gonna go from there. So some videos might be a little longer, some might be a little shorter, but hey, we're gonna have fun, go fishing, maybe try to incorporate maybe even like some vlog style stuff. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but we're gonna start uploading a lot more. So thank you guys that have subscribed in the last, I don't know, couple months, and I haven't been uploading consistently at all. I appreciate you. And yeah, I just don't want to really upload the same old boring content that everybody else is. Like today was kind of just your standard YouTube fishing video. I went fishing in a little pond and caught some dinks and like and share. You know what I mean? Like what the hell? So I don't know, we're gonna figure some stuff out. Man, the G Money Strong Spring Bass Open's looking freaking amazing. A lot of big bags in there. I think I'm in like 7th or 8th or 67th place. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna get out looking for some hogs hopefully in the next couple days. But until then, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Uploads will be a lot more consistent from here on out. You have my word. And yeah, do not forget, join the mob, baby. Peace.